Remember when you were little and you believed you could change the world? But then you grew up and people told you to be realistic because changing the world is beyond reach. You never believed that, did you? Good for you. Because the truth is, we can change the world, even when it seems impossible. Even when we're facing tough challenges, we can change the world just by going to work. We can do it because we have the space to learn and grow and fail and persevere. Because we have the flexibility to work the way that works for all of us. Because who we are is just as important as what we do. And when we have that as our foundation, we can make a real impact. We can push boundaries and have breakthroughs. We can change the world. This is Intel, where your work makes a difference, where amazing things happen every day, where the next big thing starts with you. Discover your place in our world-changing work.